My experience at Auroville was very different from what I expected. Like, I knew it was an experimental township and that it was a melting pot for a lot of cultures, but I feel like it's one thing to know and one thing to experience.
My favorite thing about Auroville is this one memory that I'm going to cherish, which is standing on the terrace and looking up and seeing a sky full of stars. And I have personally never seen a sky like that where I could see all the constellations and the planets. And it's probably the most beautiful thing I could see. And I don't have any pictures of it because no picture could ever do it justice. And it's just the most beautiful thing I've ever seen.